Today we're building a hotel business performance Excel dashboard that turns hotel data into clear, executive insights. We'll start with the dashboard layout and the first performance section, focusing on last month results like gross profit, revenue, and operating expenses. If you want the full template ready to use, visit other-levels.com. Let's begin. The dashboard background is ready. First, insert the logo and the dashboard title. Format the title. Set the font to Arial. Increase the size. Make it bold. And change the color to dark gray. Align it top left, then remove the shape fill and outline so it looks clean. Now we'll build the first section header. Copy the title text box to reuse the style. This heading is linked to raw data, so click the formula bar, type equals, go to the raw data sheet, select cell B5, then press enter. Format it as Arial, smaller size. Bold, purple, aligned middle left. Copy it again for the second heading. Remove the old link, then link it to calculation sheet cell F40. Keep the same formatting. Next, insert the chart. Go to the calculation sheet, select the gross operating profit data, and insert a waterfall chart. Move it to the dashboard. Remove non-required elements like the axis, chart title, grid lines, and legend. Remove the fill and outline from the chart to keep it clean. Format the data labels. Set position to center, enable category name, and set the separator to new line. Change the font to Arial. Increase the size, make it bold, and set the font color to white. Now set the colors. Gross operating profit in turquoise, expense in pink, and revenue in purple. Resize the chart to fit the layout. Copy a text box from above and remove any link. Type GOP. Format it in Arial, increase the font size, and align it bottom left. Copy this text box again and link it to calculation sheet cell L26. Format it as Arial, larger, bold, purple, aligned middle left. Add budget and last year details the same way. Link budget to calculation cell L27. Format it Arial, size 10, purple, aligned middle right. Copy the label text box and change the link to calculation sheet cell A27. Format it Arial. Size 8. Dark gray. Aligned middle left. Adjust the text box width so the full label shows. Select the budget details and copy them to create the last year details. Update the links. Then use Format Painter so everything matches. Insert the second chart. Go to the calculation sheet, select the gross operating profit margin %. Then insert a donut chart. Move it to the dashboard. Remove the chart title and legend. Then remove fill and outline. Resize it to fit. Set donut hole size to 87%. Set border color to white and width to 1 point. Set the main fill to purple. For the remaining part, keep purple and increase transparency to about 80%. Copy a text box. Remove the link, and type the chart title, GOP margin. Use Format Painter to match the style. Then align it middle center. To show the percentage, copy a text box. Clear the text. Then link it to calculation sheet cell L36. Format it Arial, size 14. Bold, purple. Add the same current, budget, last year detail boxes here as you did under the waterfall chart. Copy the detail boxes, update the text and links. And use Format Painter to keep everything consistent. Great work! The foundation is ready and the first performance visuals are in place. In the next part, we'll continue building the dashboard with the metrics that matter most for hotel managers. If you want the template, it's available on other-levels.com. Please check the other videos in these playlists, and see you in the next video.